Hi guys, in this video we'll show you how to get exchange UID number, and so in order this first need launch your Bit mobile application on or web browse and your device, and square icon the top left corner you that home page, and we're able to see your ID and top now if you want to view more you just have to tap section, then you will be landed this profile page. And this profile page you're going to see first option UID right here next, and you are going to see your user UID number. And so if you want to copy this number, then simply you will be prompted that user ID copy successfully. Now you can use this user ID to make transfer, and if you want to do that, and then you need to simply back home page and tap the bottom hand and corner. After that you withdraw option, select USDT if you want to withdraw, and this is you can see guys UID number. Thanks for watching, see you on another video soon. Thanks guys.